We already know that in order to click any link or button on the page, we firstly have to activate so-called link hint mode by pressing F. In this way, such marks will appear next to every clickable area on the page, and in order to click on the particular link, we can just press sequence of keys that is shown next to that link. But there is also another version of this link hint mode which we can try to use. For that, let's activate this in Vimium settings. I'm going to check this checkbox, and also next one which will allow me to click the link by pressing enter. So what this will let us do is, when we will activate link hint mode by pressing F, instead of showing letters, now numbers are shown next to clickable areas. So we can either press those numbers to follow particular link, or we can basically type in the text of the link and press enter. In both cases, we're gonna be navigated to that particular link. Let's try it out one more time. I'm going to activate link hint mode by pressing F and then start typing link text, for example, learn. This way we are narrowing down search results. As you can see right now, marks only shown next to those links which have text that we have just typed in. So I can continue typing in the text of the link and press enter, or basically press the number shown on the mark of that link. In this lesson we have seen another version of link hint mode which allows us to navigate to particular links by simply typing in the text of that link and pressing enter instead of using alphabetic markers. And the advantage of this approach is that we already know the text that we'll have to type in to follow particular link before even activating link hint mode by pressing F to see which letters we'll have to press to open up particular link. Let's continue reviewing Vimium keyboard shortcuts in the next lesson.